I've been sneezing for about a minute, so hopefully I'll get a few more out of this.
Because it's made the Israeli-Palestinian question a domestic political over the 40 years that you were talking about, not just in the democratic, more generally now.
What have I eaten? I've eaten a milk bread roll with ham and mustard and butter. A mandarin and a kiwi fruit. So I don't know why I'm sneezing. I still think it might be a lactose problem for the milk bread. But
all right, you guys, I want to talk about something else, and Joe, you can stick around. The shutdown conversation about the government shutdown.
I think it's coming to an end now.
To vote on a plan to reopen the government, and Speaker Johnson says that he doesn't plan to bring the House back until the Senate. All that is the Trump administration.
It's not coming to an end.
Shutdown negotiations go nowhere.
Yeah, I think that was the last one, I think. Yeah, I think so. That's been a long time ago since I recorded a sneezing video. So those that keep asking, where are my videos? Here's one for you. Thanks for watching, folks. Bye.